Okay, we have to replace this defective GFI here. So we'll unscrew it out of the wall. And it's on this list here to replace. Okay, so this is when you put the wires around the screws.
David,
Yeah.
you need me, I'll be right back.
Okay, yep. Okay, so we have our black and white line is on the top, and see how sloppy those connections? That's around the screw backwards, and it's on the wrong side. Same with the wire here. So we'll take our wires off. So we're going to put our 2 line wires up on the top. And see how that wire's not even under the screw there? That's not code. It's not right. Okay, so these are our line up top. And we'll put our load down on the bottom. This wire's around the screw backwards, and the insulation is caught under the screw. That's no good. And that connection wasn't very good. And the bottom is our load. So here's our new Eaton GFI. Here in the country I was born in, bathrooms, outdoor outlets all have to be on a GFI, and in the kitchen within 6 feet of the sink. I'm going to take off this mutilated wire here. So this is the load down here. And this is the line up here. Okay, so we'll take a look at our new device here. We're going to put our line on the top. So our black line is going to go on the brass side here like that. Make sure we don't have it too long. Make sure we don't have too much copper, any copper sticking out behind it, and we don't get our insulation caught under the pressure plate. So there's our black line. Now down here we'll put our black load on the bottom and make sure our insulation doesn't get caught under the pressure plate there. Okay, so now we'll go over here. We have our white load. So we'll go over here on the load side. here on the top. Make sure we don't get our insulation under the pressure plate there. And we'll put our ground wire. We'll twist our strands together here. And we'll get the ground wire under our pressure plate here. Make sure we don't get our insulation under the pressure plate. Get nice and tight. Now we can push our wires into our box here. Sometimes the line is on the opposite side of the green screw, so they're not always the same. So you got to look at the back of the device and make sure you put your black and white line on the right side. And your black wires go on the brass colored screw, which is the narrow slot, and your whites go on the silver colored screw, which is the wider slot. And these plaster ears are going right up nice against the sheetrock, so it ends up nice and tight on the wall here. How's it going, John?
Great. Looks nice and solid.
Yes, it is. Okay, now we can just stick our cover back on. And we'll go down and test it. Okay, so we'll test it. The red light shows it's tripped. You push it, it's working. To test it, push the other one, the red light comes on.
Working now?
Yep, it's
it was
all working.
before anyway, but okay, yeah, the middle piece.